All right, so you got this steering wheel where the top part, you know, where you're driving, the steering wheel is locked right now. I don't have the key. But where you hold your hand and you see this, you're saying like, damn man, how can I fix this? And it doesn't cost a penny to fix it. Is there such a thing? Not even a penny to fix this? Material-wise? Well, you're gonna need one thing. Yes, a razor blade. What I'm gonna do is, you see most of the steering wheels have them sectioned. So here's one section here, it goes to there. Sometimes it goes from here all the way around to here, which is the top part, remember. So what I'm gonna do is, I'm gonna get the razor and I'm going to cut like this. And I'm gonna cut over here and we're gonna take this off. So unfortunately I can't hold the phone and show you how I'm gonna do it at the same time, but let me do one side. Just to show you, let's see if I can do it here. Just enough to cut it. You don't have to go deep because this isn't, and you don't want to go over that line on that side. You want to stay on this side. Okay? So here I am messing this up. No, just kidding. Now I'm gonna slice it here. You see the idea? This is still good. So this is like a leather, I guess an extra. We're gonna put the leather on the steering wheel. So I'm gonna continue to cut this, right? On one side, hold on. And there is the steering wheel. So you see, I'm gonna go here and do this side. I just slightly came over here. I don't go deep. Now I'm just gonna take this off. If it's still stuck on there, just make sure you do a clean cut. Because you don't want it to start peeling the other side. All right, man, there it is. That looks good. Didn't cost a penny. I know you're gonna like this video now. Come on, thumbs up, thumbs down. So there you have it. This is a free channel, Conquer Your Fear. Subscribe, it helps. It's free. And if you got any questions or concerns, don't hesitate to give me a call. I mean, you know, throw me a message. Take it easy, guys, girls. Later.